Shweta and I'll be taking your speaking interview today. So your speaking will be conducted in three parts. The first part is going to be the introduction and the second part is going to be a cue card for which you have to speak on a minute or two, and for the same you will get a minute to prepare. And the final part is going to be the follow-ups. So have you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your name?
My name is Sudeep Kaur.
Sudeep, where are you from?
I dwell in Bathinda city. It's a beautiful city of lakes and it is famous for its railway station.
So in which part of your city do you live?
I live in center of my city and the name of that place is Green City.
So do you like living there?
Yes, I like living there because there are many facilities in that colony. There are many supermarkets, temple, Sikh temple, and many gardens and parks and many grounds to spend.
So what are some changes in the area recently?
There are many changes in the area where I live. Like there are many parks are constructed in that area. Besides, there are many shopping malls, hospitals, and schools are introduced.
Okay, so do you know any famous person who is living in your area?
Yes, the name of the person is Charjit Bhullar. He is a renowned Punjabi singer, and I am a big fan of him.
So where do you like to go in that area?
I like to visit Mittal Mall because there are many facilities, like there are many PlayStation for kids and cinema hall, and besides there are many restaurants to relish food.
Okay, so let's have questions related to break. So how often do you take a break whenever you're working?
I usually take a break after 2 hours to rejuvenate myself because I can't work for long hours.
So do you prefer long breaks or short breaks?
I prefer short breaks because short breaks give us enough time to break the monotonous, and after 15 minutes I go back to my work.
Okay, so what do you usually do during that break?
I usually use my phone on that breaks. I usually talk to my husband, or I make video calls to my sister who are living in other country.
So how often do you take a break?
As I mentioned it earlier that I can't concentrate for long hours, so I take breaks after 2 or 3 hours.
Why is it required to take a break?
To concentrate on work and to do something productive, it is necessary to be fresh and to concentrate on work. Breaks are necessary.
So do you prefer to take tea or coffee in the breaks?
Yes, definitely, because tea and coffee makes people more energetic and give positive energy to a person.
So do you prefer to make tea or coffee for the guests at home?
I love to make coffee because I always receive many comments when I serve coffee to my guests, because they said the coffee of my hand, made by my hand, is very good taste.
When was the last time you had tea or coffee?
If my memory serves me well, then a month before, when I visited to one of my friends, she offered me coffee, and this was the time when I had coffee.
So which beverage is more famous among the people of your country, tea or coffee?
It depends on the choice of people and on the taste of people as well, because there are many people who like tea, and on the other hand there are many people who like coffee, because it depends on their pocket as well and their choice.
Okay, so let's have questions on walking. Do you like to walk?
Yes, I like to walk because it is very essential to stay fit.
Why it is important to stay fit?
To look beautiful and to stay and to lead a healthy lifestyle, it is important to walk and to stay fit.
So do you walk more than these days than in the past?
Yes, definitely. As I mentioned it earlier, that I'm living in a colony. The name of the colony is Green City, and there are many parks and grounds are there. And I usually visit to that grounds with my children to play with them.
So do you think people will walk more in the future?
Well, yes, people are becoming more um, aware about their health, and they are walking in the present, and this trend will increase in the future because the awareness will
Awareness is increasing.
is increasing with each passage of time.
Okay, so let's have a cue card. So the topic you have to speak on is talk about a toy you liked in your childhood. To prepare the topic, you have a minute. And your time starts now. Yes, start speaking on the topic.
Well, toys are very essential for the holistic growth of every child. Uh, when I was a child, I vividly remember that I have many toys like any other kid and loved to play with them and enjoyed it a lot. And out of all the toys, I had a toy which was my favorite, and it was a Barbie doll, almost of my size. When I was 4 years old, I received it as a gift from my maternal uncle on the D-Day of my birthday. Actually, this doll was very pretty, and it had wear red dress paired up with black high heels, and it had golden hairs, and which were well tied with velvet ribbon of same color. And the extraordinary feature of that doll was that it was battery operated doll, and this doll danced on a recorded song and blinked its eye very beautifully. When I unwrapped it, I was on cloud nine because I was so happy to receive a doll which was very pretty, and I showcased it to everyone. Everyone was as amazed as I was because nobody had seen such a beautiful doll before. I was so obsessed with it, and I never let anybody touch it even. And nowadays I have this doll which adore the beauty of the main wall of my house, and I never let my niece to play with it because I feel emotionally attached with it, and I don't want to lose it at any cost.
Okay, so according to you, what is the difference between the toys of boys and girls?
Well, boys usually prefer to play with cars and motors, whereas girls like to play with Barbie dolls and kitchen set and other household things.
Okay, so if you were going to give a present to a child, what would you give him?
Initially I will consider the age of that child, then I buy a toy. Like if I am supposed to give a gift to a girl of 5 or 6 years, then I will give a makeup kit, the which is not a genuine, a toy one, and or a kitchen set.
Okay, and what if you have to gift it to a boy?
In case of boy, I would like to give him a car, which should be remote controlled car.
So which do you think is better for children to play with toy alone or with other kids?
It is a better idea to play with friends or other kids because in this way they will learn to cooperate with others, and in this way they can make more social relations.
So what toys are popular with the kids in India today?
The toys which are electronic toys and Barbie dolls, makeup kits, hoverboards, bikes, and cars, remote control cars, which they can ride itself.
So do you think we have lost our hand skills these days, such as sewing?
Um, no, I don't think so because I have done masters in fashion and I usually sew dresses for my kid.
So that is it. Thank you so much.
Thanks.